Okay, this is Beco, the Praia Grande. So it's just a little piece of I'm just going to show you where we are, and then we're going to go down the alley. But over here is the Praia Grande road, and then you can see all the way down, you can see this big waterfront all the way, including this new Yoho island, Treasure Island Hotel. What we're going to do is just walk down this little Beco, and we'll give you a little bit of background as to what this is and where we are. So stay tuned. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So we got a little Beco Praia Grande, and then basically we got this, like, all these little tall buildings that go all the way up like that. So we're just going to film inside, and then before we even go down, we'll just give a little context of where we are. But you can see there's a bunch of buildings over here. There's like AI building is over here, the bank, HCBC, Treasure Island, and then we also got this whole Nam Van Lake over here as well. So let's just walk in. You got all these tall apartments. It's interesting too, because you'll see things in Chinese and Portuguese, so looks like they lost some of their letters, but it's like edificio. Kind of interesting. Just a little bit of a history. This Praia Grande used to be known to have a beach, and I don't think it was a very good beach. I think it was pretty murky and muddy. And they maybe about 100 years ago, I think, I was reading some different things about it, and it looks like they started to I guess it had been earlier than that, but 100 years ago they would have started discussing ideas of what to do with these things and not make this into a place where people could I think their boats couldn't come in, big boats couldn't come in. That pink building over there is the governor's house. I don't think I shouldn't film that. There's a guard that's out front. And we're gonna come in here as well. It's kind of interesting too, right? So you go right up to these apartments. There's somebody with a balcony right there, even rooftop up there. Okay. So what we're gonna do next is cross the street over to the other side, the Nam Van Lake side. So stay tuned. We're gonna go across and we're gonna film from that side. Okay, so we were just right over there, right there, in that little alley, and that was Beco Praia Grande. And just to give you a little context, you can actually look down here and see this whole boulevard. There's a governor's house too right next to it, that pink one. There's some construction nearby as well. And then basically you have all these little rows that go all the way down to the Macau Tower right there. So you can see it. And then on this side, I'll show you right real quick. We have this beautiful waterfront. That goes all the way down to Macau Tower, and then there's like some civil government houses here, judicial. And then there's a little bit of a little wrap around here. And then you can actually walk in a big circle all the way around to here. And then here's some of those buildings, including AI is just be on the other side of that. Places to eat right there. And then this is basically that avenue of Praia Grande. Praia Grande. Avenida de Praia Grande. Big Beach Road. Big Beach Avenue. Then you can see all these tall apartments all the way across. And our focus is right over there. And if you go all the way down this way, you'll see down here there used to be a waterfront that's quite famous called Saivan Lake. You gotta stop coughing. So this historically would have been a nice little promenade that you'd walk all the way down. And now there's like a Saivan Lake on that side and a Nam Van Lake over here. These are both man-made, manufactured but it wasn't like that in the past. And the governor's house right there, our focus street right there, and then that's the skyline there. So we're gonna end it here. It just dawned on me. I should actually explain that historically that was kind of the beach waterfront for Macau on this side, and then the other side is where the boats would come in, which is directly over that way towards Pont 16, Sandal Square, that area. So this one would have been a promenade that would overlook the water, but the water wasn't really good for boats, so I guess it's more like a beach, and things have been lined up on the beach. Now there's just a bunch of tall buildings everywhere, including the governor's house, the pink one right there. And it basically goes all the way, and now it goes all the way down to the Macau Tower right over there as well. But yeah, so historically, and now it's all developed in a different way. It's still pretty cool though. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.